Hello everyone, today we will learn how to fix a noisy laptop. As you can see, I have a laptop here which is noisy, so I'll show you how to fix it. First of all, you have to turn on the laptop. You can hear the noise. So all you need to do is turn off the laptop. Now we need to disconnect the ribbon cables. This ribbon cable. We have removed the ribbon cable. So all you need to do is now remove this connector, which is for speaker. We have to remove this connector, which is responsible for the speaker. We have removed this one. We have one speaker here. This is the speaker. There's another speaker here. There is another speaker. So we need to remove this connector. You can do it by hand. Yes. Now we need to connect the ribbon cable again. As you know, this ribbon cable is responsible for turning on the laptop. So we have to connect the ribbon cable, otherwise you cannot turn on the laptop. Still, if we hear the noise, then that means something wrong with the component, not the speaker. If you don't hear the noise, that means there's nothing wrong with the computer. Maybe something wrong with the setting. Maybe we need to update the hard drive or change the sound setting. So as you can see, we have connected the ribbon cable. So now turn on the laptop. It's turned on and we cannot hear any noise. So that shows something wrong with the speaker or the sound setting. Most likely something wrong with the sound setting, because you don't get speakers problem. Most of the time, if you get a speaker problem, then you'll get one of your speaker won't work or get noisy, but you won't get both of them issues, so most likely it is the setting. So let's change the setting, and then we can connect the connector for the speaker. Thank you. Now I have connected the ribbon cable for the keyboard. So now our keyboard is working. Unfortunately, the mouse doesn't work. So most likely we need to connect this ribbon cable in order to make the mouse work. Let's connect the ribbon cable. you have to do it with two hands. I need to do it with one hand since I'm recording with my phone, and at the same time I have to connect the cable as well. Sorry guys, I need to do it by two hands. Now I have connected the ribbon cable. Now as you can see, our mouse is working now. So now I will change the setting of the laptop. I have to change the sound setting. Most likely I have to update the hard drive. Thank you for your patience. Sorry guys, I couldn't fix the laptop yet. Once I fix my laptop, then I will inform you. And please make sure subscribe my video, otherwise you can't see my next video. I will send you the solution as soon as I fix my laptop. Thank you.